Smart contracts are one of the most revolutionary innovations in the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. While the term might sound complex, smart contracts are much easier to understand than you might think. In this video, we'll explore what they are, how they work, and why they are transforming entire industries. A smart contract is essentially a program or code that runs automatically on a blockchain when certain predefined conditions are met. Imagine you're buying a car. Instead of going through a middleman like a dealership or a bank, you can use a smart contract that triggers automatically when you pay the agreed amount. Once the payment is transferred, the contract transfers ownership of the car to your name. All of this happens without intermediaries and with complete transparency. For smart contracts to work, they need to be hosted on a blockchain. Ethereum is the most well-known example, as it was the first blockchain to integrate this functionality on a large scale. However, other blockchains like Cardano, Solana, and Binance Smart Chain also allow for the creation and use of smart contracts. What makes smart contracts unique is their ability to eliminate the need for trust between parties. Everything is predefined in the code, and the rules execute automatically. This means that no one can manipulate the contract or breach its terms, as the blockchain acts as an impartial arbitrator. For example, imagine a smart contract for renting an apartment. It could work like this. You transfer the security deposit and the first month's rent to the smart contract. When the agreed move-in date arrives, the contract automatically releases access to the digital keys of the apartment. If you decide not to move in, the contract can automatically return your funds. Smart contracts are not just useful for simple transactions like buying or renting goods. They are also being used in areas such as decentralized finance, DeFi, enabling loans, swaps, and insurance without banks or traditional institutions. Supply chain management, helping to track products from their origin to their final destination, ensuring transparency and authenticity. Intellectual property, automating royalty payments to creators when their content is used or purchased. Electronic voting, ensuring that votes are counted fairly and transparently. Despite their advantages, smart contracts are not without challenges. One of the biggest issues is that code is law. If a smart contract contains an error, it can execute incorrectly, leading to financial losses. This is why developers must be extremely careful when writing them. In summary, smart contracts are a powerful tool that is changing the way we do business and handle transactions. Their ability to automate processes, reduce costs, and increase transparency makes them a key technology for the future.